Oh.
The dog is on the log.
Okay.
The dog is in the log.
Where is the dog?
In the log.
What is on the log?
Dog.
Wow, very good. Next.
Yes.
Anak ba?
Balik ko muna.
Oh, ibalik na day ni. Oh, kana oh. Be, kamao ba?
The sun is in the sky.
Okay.
The sun is in the sky.
Where is the sun?
In the sky.
Wow, what is in the sky?
Sun.
Hala ka, very good ba ng bata? Oy. Be, kanebe.
The bag is on the mug.
Okay. Read the sentence
The
below.
bag is on the mug.
Where is the bug?
In the mug.
Very good. What is in the mug?
Bug.
Okay, next. Mana na? Okay, this one.
Gamay mo na.
Hmm?
Cup.
Okay.
The cup is in the cup.
Okay. Sentence below.
The cup is in the tub.
What is in the tub?
Dog pa nga.
Oh, where is the dog?
And the
In the...
bag.
Hmm?
Cat.
In the tub. What is in the tub?
Tub.
Very good. Okay, sige.
The kids had the mat.
Okay. Read the sentence below louder. Ayaw tabo ni.
The kids cut the mud.
Oh, mat.
Mat.
Okay. Who cut the mat?
Kid
Okay, very good. What are the kids doing?
cut the mat.
Hala ka, very good ba ng bata? Oy, very good ba? Oy, be, next.
Tani?
What's that?
The
Net.
net is on the bed.
Okay.
The net.
Louder.
The net is on the bed.
Where is the net?
On the bed.
What is on the bed?
Net. Net.
Pagtarong po. Uy, sit properly. Di man ing nana magbasa kay. Di man na very good basta dili magtarong.
Nani?
Okay, next. Flip. Okay. That one.
The bed is red.
Okay. Read the sentence below.
The bed is red.
What is the color of the bed?
Red.
Very good. La, ay, very good man ang bata. Be ka na, be ka mao ka anak ta. Sige daw ta.
The jet is red.
Okay, the sentence below.
The jet is red.
What happened to the jet?
Red.
Hala ka, very good ba ng bata? Oy! Okay. Beka ni Beka, ilabaan ni, kamao ba? Be, sige.
The vet
Hala ka, very good.
has a hen.
Okay. Read the sentence below.
The vet has a hen.
Who has a hen?
Vet.
Whoa, very good. What does the vet had?
Hen.
Oh, look, very good. Oh, yay. Clap your hands. Done.